Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will be going over January's summary for ARK Invest. Let's see how January has been to them. We'll go over their biggest moves. We'll see if there are any new and removed companies, which there are, so stay with me. And we will also go over the watch list, which is of these 7 companies: Tesla, Robinhood, Nano Dimension, Palantir, DraftKings, Skills, and Coinbase. So we'll see how they traded these 7 other than the big moves. So stay with me, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks. Welcome back, friends. So this is how January looks. We are doing a January summary in this video, and it is not good. It has not been good to ARK at all. So it has gone to the level of 21 billion. So yep, not so good looking in terms of market value. All the funds combined is just 21 billion. To put that in context, earlier, same time last year, it was around 60 billion. Yeah, so it has gone down by that much. So this is how this 21 million billion divided in all the 7 funds, 8 funds that they have. C2 is the newest one, which is a transparency fund, which means the companies that are most transparent about their work. They have included that in there. Probably seeing the need for that because there have been so many flops. There are companies that look good from outside, but internally they are not so good. So there is a need for such a fund for sure, see through, as a filter for rest of the funds. So this is how the market value is, and these are the number of companies in all these funds. Number of companies has increased from 338 to 342 now. So we will go over what are those new and removed companies that made the count go up to 342. Let's go over the biggest moves quickly. A lot of biggest moves. There are a lot of big moves this month. So let's quickly take a look at it. We have put a threshold of 20%. So any company in which the shares changed by 20% or more, whether they sold it or bought it. So those will show up in this chart, and then we'll make this 0 and then change the market value and see a biggest move by market value as well, because that could change just because stock value changed, stock price changed. So these are the ones that had the maximum trading happen. Nurix Therapeutics topping the charts, 800% extra shares bought there. It's skewing everything else, so I'll probably get rid of it just so that we see other biggest moves really shine. Faro Technologies, Fiverr International, Eurogen, Pharma, NanoX Imaging. NanoX Imaging added 80% more shares as the stock price declined to $9. InMode, Cognite Software, Burning Rock, Compliant Biotechnology, Eastman Kodak. Look at that, Eastman Kodak. I remember Kodak going really high up just when the COVID started, because they were going to make masks or something, but the stock price is down again to $3 now. Then you have Enblix Therapeutics, Playteca Holdings, a lot, Limited, VIX, Cronet Digital, WalkMe, Recursion. So as I'm hovering over these, you'll see more information, like Velo 3D Inc. is present in 3 ETFs: Print, ARKX, and ARKQ. And there is shares, number of shares trend, and then the stock price trend that also pops up. You have JFrog. I'll hover over these quickly so that you can see Byco. Roblox, 26% more added. Wow, interesting. And it is a really good company. That's the company to invest in, I would say. Seragen, Align Technologies, Ginkgo Bioworks, Progenis Canada, AeroVironment. So those are the positive ones. Let's look at the negative ones, right? A lot of negative ones. Almost 100% removed also, a lot of them. So yeah, I won't go over each and every one of them, but Snap Inc. removed a lot, 99% removed. Then you have Netflix also removed, 99%, 98%. DocuSign removed, 92%. BioLinux, Check, Purple, JD. Some of these are really good companies, but they're removing it because it's just the timing is so bad. The market is so bad right now. So a lot of these, Workday, Desktop Metal, removed 44%. That speaks volumes. Desktop Metal reduced 44%. Another Chamath Palihapitiya company, which is Clove, has also gone down quite a bit, a lot. In terms of stock price, Desktop Metal is another Chamath Palihapitiya company. They're holding on to Nano Dimension, but they sold this quite a bit. So it's interesting. Aqua Bounty, a lot of people are interested in that as well. I've seen in past. I removed a lot of shares there. Stock price down to $1.60. My goodness. Evogen. So yeah, a lot of bets going in wrong direction looks like. Um, I won't go over each and every one of them, but yeah, Scales also reduced 26%. We'll go over Scales in the uh, uh, daily watch list as well, but Twitter removed 26%. Walt Disney 24% removed. So yeah, a lot of companies removed, and the threshold is just 20%. If I reduce it more, I'm sure a lot more companies will pop up as negatives. Cloudflare, C are the positive ones. Markforged is a positive one. 3M. So some of the 3D companies they have added, but desktop metal they have reduced quite a bit. So that's what we are seeing here. Um, Great. So that's the biggest move by trading. How much they added or removed. Right now, let's see some biggest moves by market value. Let's increase this threshold and see the companies that have increased in market value just because the stock price has changed and not because they have bought or sold more shares. So yeah, look at that. Everything is negative, irrespective of whether they have bought or sold. It's a crazy market out there. Maybe reduce it a little bit more to increase the list and see any green come up. Uh, no, still nothing. All red. All of them are red. The stock price is down for all of them. And we saw the market value trend. Still nothing. My goodness, that's not good at all. Uh, 4 million. Still nothing. All red. 2 million. Nothing. Wow. Yeah, there's nothing. There are now, if I reduce it to 1 million, then there are some positives. Very little. So if I sort them, it will pop up on the top, but it will be hard to see because it's just too many companies in there. So these are the green ones. Very little Faro, Burning, Dreyfus. No, that is cash mainly. Environment. Very few green ones, very few. And that too, as you can see, because they bought a lot more shares. This is negative tails, but positive in the market value. So hardly anything that's positive. Only the ones that are positive in market value are the ones where they bought more. So not really positive there as well. Let's see overall portfolio. Maybe this shows something. Yeah. So since for January, it's all red, majorly red. This is green because they bought more shares. Only the green ones are because they bought more shares, I guess. Um, it's a bloodbath pretty much. New and removed companies. So this is a little bit interesting as well. Let's go over the new companies and then remove companies and the differences. 5 or 6 companies that are added, net added to the portfolio. Not all of these are new because some of these are already present in some other fund, but they are new to these funds, and that's why these show up. That's how this dashboard works. So these are some of the new ones. I won't go name all of them, but you can look at it. You can pause the video and look at it if you want. So those are all the new ones. Velo 3D, for example, I know it's not a new one. They have invested it in past. Maybe it's new to this fund print. That's why. Um, or it could be that it was a SPAC first and now it is merged and the ticker symbol is new and that's why it's showing up as new company. So anyways, these are all the new companies and these are all the removed companies. So that's a new and removed companies section. Let's go to daily watch list quickly. Um, Hood coming out to be net positive. They have invested more and more into it as the stock price has gone down, down, and further down. At one point, it was $70, and now it's $11. That's it. But net positive, they've added more and more. 143.6 million um, stock price market value wiped off. Nano Dimension 1.7% removed. I won't worry too much about it. Stock price has certainly gone down, which is concerning though. DraftKings is 5% positive, which is a very good thing that they're showing conviction. Palantir as well, Coinbase as well. Scales, on the other hand, not such a good news, 25% removed. Not happy about that at all. Tesla 13% removed because they're taking profit and putting it in more companies, other companies, I guess. So that's January summary, guys, and I'll try to do more and more episodes, like weekly episodes. We used to do daily, which is not possible anymore because the data is uploaded really late in the night on their website now. So so I'm forced to reduce it to either weekly or monthly. So I'll still try to do only weekly. Or I will definitely try to do weekly, and will definitely do monthly. So that was a January episode, guys. Please like and subscribe, and have a good rest of the weekend. Thank you.